What beans are these,
Yeah,
Mom?
what are you tripping for?
What type of beans are these?
They don't know lima bean. What is you doing?
Lima beans. She about to put some lima beans on with some smoked meat. I don't know what type of meat that is. It's like some type of pork. We're gonna see how that goes. Making gumbo. We're gonna put chicken, smoked sausage, crab. Right now we have all our vegetables in it. We did the roux already. We got rice boiling on the side right here to go with it. You can always make a pan of cornbread to go with it as well. This is the final product to my gumbo I made. I teach my mom how to make gumbo. Oops. See all this goodness? Made the roux from scratch. Teach her how to do that too. We're heading to the storage unit to get our Christmas tree. We've had this Christmas tree for over years. It's like a family tradition. We set our Christmas tree up the day of Thanksgiving after we eat.
Hey, Bob.
Okay, so we got the Christmas tree out the storage unit. It was a hassle to get, but we got good right here.
Subscribe at Breeze Reality.
Try to help.
Follow, it's your boy Trey Boy. You see Sasha Bank on it.
Get Mama in the front seat. She even got the car, but
Subscribe to at Breeze Reality.
Shut up.
super heavy. I don't know how big it is, but you see how big it is through the camera.
It's just 6 feet.
What?
6 feet.
Our Christmas decorations are behind that couch over there. You probably saw it.
6 feet.
6 feet. I know 6 feet. Trey, 6 feet is the ones they have at Dollar General. It's gotta be like 10, 12 feet.
Like my little stand got one place in there now.
Say,
Put it over there, somebody down somewhere else.
today's the day before Thanksgiving, and we're doing the desserts right now. First, we're doing the pecan pies. We got Mama in the kitchen. She's doing pecan pies.
I have home there.
Brianna, I don't know what she about to do.
I'm finna make my world famous green bean casserole.
World famous.
I don't use my pecan hole. I like to break them up a little bit. And I stretch. I make 2 pies out of 1.
We have not changed the recipe up this year. This is the same recipe we use every year. They'll never try to do something different on holidays. But you know, I already tried it ahead of time. We got Josh over here. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, so we got Brianna in the kitchen. I'm teaching her how to make green bean casserole.
Yes, okay, so I already got 2 cans of string beans and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And now I'm gonna cut up a whole onion, and then I gotta cut up some bacon. You're gonna need 6 slices of that. And then this can go in the mix and on top of it.
What is that? The French fried onions?
French fried onions. Give it an extra kick flavor. So now you're gonna mince the onions really.
What's in this bowl right here?
That's the green beans and the cream mushroom soup. So 2 cans of both. And it's French style string beans. I got on these shades because the onions always hurt my eyes every time I cut them. So I like to wear them to be protected. You know what I mean?
Okay, now she's cutting up the bacon. I don't know what you're about to do with these onions and bacon.
Okay, so right now I'm cutting up the pieces of bacon. I got 5 right now. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to cut them up. Like you see this, I'm just going to cut it kind of like that. Make like little pieces basically. And then I'm going to saute this up. I'm sauteing onions and the bacon together in a pan. And then I'm going to put it all in here and mix it together. Then I'm going to put it in the oven.
You're going to green bean casserole.
This is going in the green bean casserole. Okay, so after I had sauteed up my onions and bacon and put them in the green bean casserole mix I had already made, I mixed it all together and put it all in here and flattened it out, and this is what it should look like. So now I'm going to put it in the oven So now I'm gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to put these on there and let it cook for another 5-10 minutes, and then it's done.
We got Joshua and I've got
Trayvon.
over here cleaning chitlins. They're doing, is this one bag? Yep, one bag. See, we didn't get no bread buckets.
You got that Bessie's.
They said they've been pre-cleaned. No, they haven't. So you gotta go through them and clean yourself. Okay, so I'm about to make my corn casserole, my world famous. Make this every year, nothing different. You wanna start by putting a whole stick of salt and butter in that bowl, like that. Get our cans together. You got 1 can of whole kernel corn, can of cream style corn. Open these up, put them in there. Wait up. All different.
I see those when you look at the recipe. That's why your stuff.
No, because they have milk. They have milk and stuff to theirs. I don't.
I saw everybody playing here. You better make sure they. You said I just thought about it.
This is my can of my can of sweet kernel corn, the cream style version. Now I'm opening my Jiffy mix. You need 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix. Right here. You see it? That's in here. Come to the music. I know I had to use it on purpose, but I'll turn it out.
There's a background.
This can, people used to do it. As long as I'm talking over it, not playing the entire song. Okay, out of my box of Jiffy mix. Now we're going to start with our whole kernel corn, the regular version, not the cream style. Open that up. This is a fast dish to make. Oh yeah, preheat your oven to 350. And make sure you grease your pan cooking spray. Okay, next thing you want to add is your egg. Use 1 egg. Add your egg in. Oh, what that noise is. Following that, you add your sour cream. This is a 16-ounce container of sour cream. You want to use almost half, but not half. You know what I mean?
8 ounces.
8 ounces is 1 cup. You're going to get technical with it. That's about it. Next up, this is optional. You can add your cheddar cheese. I have sharp cheddar today. Down here. Sharp cheddar. It's optional. You add to about a small handful of this. Okay, and then the final thing you want to add to it is your parsley flakes. I add the parsley flakes for color. Why would I put frosted flakes?
They put frosted flakes here on top of it.
Come on, Mom. Come on.
I did, Trey. I'm tired, Trey. I told them, well, you know, I put the onion flakes in.
Onion flakes.
The onion thing you only got you.
Do you want to mix it together?
See, that thing ain't done for 55 minutes.
It's a newer type of dried chicken. It's going to sense it's
Never
dried.
supposed to have told about the fried the first place.
You turn that down. Why put my taste? Want to mix it together so the butter is combined a little bit. After that's combined and incorporated, after you finish the dish, you want to put it into your grease baking dish. Mix it up real good to get that butter fully incorporated. Okay, after you mix it up, put it in a grease baking dish. Put it under 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. You want what my mom done behind me, she's cleaning the chitlins. Not the red buckets, but the bags. I already told you about the red buckets. The might not forget those. It's time consuming, but if that's for you, you can do what you're going to do. That's your business. Okay, you want to shake it around, make sure it's even throughout the pan. And you want to put it in your oven. And do what you got to do at home. Got Bree in the kitchen. I don't know what she's doing.
I'm gonna. Well, right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm preparing because on Thanksgiving I'm gonna make deviled eggs. I make deviled eggs for Thanksgiving, and right now I boiled 8 eggs already, and I'm just peeling them and putting them in the bowl. And then when I'm done with that, I'll cut them in half and scoop out the egg yolk in it, and then I'll mix it up, and then put it back in there for the deviled eggs.
Right now, poke them in there. Now clean.
I have taken my corn casserole out the oven. I've set it down. I'm going to show you in a minute. This is what it looks like. Golden brown on top. Buttery goodness right here. Okay. I'll make sure to put the turkey, doing the turkey on the part 2 video tomorrow when I make that video. It's going to be the turkey on there, cooking the turkey, the chitlins, the collard greens. All that's going to be in the second vlog on tomorrow's video. Whenever I get it posted. Every time I record Polly, she seems to be nervous. But acting fool off camera. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll post a part 2 of Thanksgiving video tomorrow. Thank you for watching.